Well, I just had a 4-day weekend for Memorial Day. Got a few things done on the barn. Notably, that one big beam we got up in the air. And I'll go up top side and show you how I did that. But what I did originally is I made this storyboard, marked it out, brought it back down, carved the beam out here on the ground, then lifted it into place. But the first few days I was using my chainsaw mill to make some more floorboards. That's why all this sawdust is here. Oh, we finished Allison's shed too. Put the shingles on it. Made a door and put a couple windows in. So this is the process of making a board out of a slab. I just throw it up on here, mark it out, then rip down the edges. And I made a bunch. These are 13 footers, then a pile of 7-footers. There's some pretty wide ones in there, a couple 25-inch boards. But had to lug a lot of stuff up these stairs today. Here's the second floor. You can see I've started quite a bit on the third floor. So let me show you the beam. There it is, notched out. That's a 8x12. This one's 22 feet long. So, how did I get this thing 25 feet in the air? I use this. This is a homemade crane. It's made out of some real thick oak that I had milled a couple years ago. Didn't know what I was going to use it for, but what I did was it sort of pivots on this bolt. This part gets screwed down to the floor into the beams with some long screws. Then on this end there's another bolt running through it, and hanging from this shackle I put the chain falls. And also here I hooked a come along. So I got the beam up as high as I could with the chain falls. Then I used the come along to kind of pull this like this and get it the last few inches. So what that allowed me to do was come straight up and then at the end pull it over and then let it back down in the exact spot I needed it. So I did 5 more to go. The one today was quite a learning curve. Building this thing took me half the day. It may not look like much, but This oak is like hard as a rock, so I had to pre-drill all the holes, and it was a big pain, but got it done. So this beam and 2 more along this edge, and then we'll go around the other side and put some more over here. This will probably be the more challenging side because it's really high up, probably close to 30 feet. Well, maybe 26, 27 feet. And there'll be 3 more long beams on this side. So once that's all done, it'll be time for some floorboards. And then once that's all set, we'll get the rafters going on, which are down there. Those will go up next. That's a pretty good view from up here. Nice, all our leaves are out now. So anyway, that's barn stuff.